Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Login. I'm back with another video on how to log into Amerihome Mortgage account using your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into your Amerihome Mortgage account, you'll need to go open your web browser first. Go to the URL box at the top of the screen and type in www.amerihome.com and search. Within a few seconds, you'll find yourself in the home page of Amerihome Mortgage. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top right-hand corner in order to open up an expanded menu. To log into your account, tap on the My Account button and then select one of the options from where you'd like to log into your account. Let me click on this Make a Payment option at the top. Now, on the next page, go ahead and select what you'd like to do after you sign into your account. Select any one option from the display and then tap it on. Now go ahead and find your loan. You can either find in your loan by searching through your loan number or your mobile number. Select any one option and tap it on. Now since I've chosen the phone number option, it's asking me to enter my phone number that is associated with your Amerihome account. Simply type in your phone number and tap on Continue. If you've selected the Search by Loan Number option, then you'll need to type in your loan number in the text box. Soon after you hit Continue, you'll be logged into your Amerihome Mortgage account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.